Today I'm going to sort out my auto tool zeroing. If I push this button here, comes up with a message there's a script error because there's nothing in that button, so I have to insert some Visual Basic script to make the button work. So I'll just sort some script out. Right, I've got some script which now I've got to copy that into the button area, so I have to go up to Operator, down the Edit button, Script. Right, now there I can choose this button, click on that, and this box clicks on. So now I have to click on there, copy all of that lot, I'll copy and paste. Right, so that's the script in. Right, so now what I've got is a touch plate with some wire and a crocodile clip on that other one. What happens, you see, if you put that underneath the tool, that's connected to one side of the connectors on the box, and then connect that on there. That makes a circuit. So when you click that button, auto tool zeroing, the tool will move down, touch the plate, and makes a circuit, which then that tells the software that that's touch 0. So let's try it. I'll just connect it all up and we'll try it. Right, I've put the G code in the button. Now let's just see what happens when we zero. So I click this, swim around there. So the Z axis is slowly going down. There we are. That's touched the touch plate. Now when I remove this and tell the software to put the tool to 0, it should go down. Let's go to 0. And there we are. So that should, yep, dead on the bottom. There we go. So now every time I change the tool bit, I use the touch plate, and that will give me a 0 every time on the tip of the tool. There.